Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So just before we continue, just want to again highlight what's happening to the left here and get some really snotty comments on the DAX. We're falling to the floor and I don't know what I'm doing, but anyway, this area here is a strong area of support on the weekly. And even though you have broken below the structure that we have here, there is a lot of support to be found here. And even drop it a bit further, there is support here. So this zone here is something you need to pay attention to very carefully. If you're jumping in short and you think you're in for the ride of your life, you are seriously mistaken. Anyway, we have diversions brewing. This is still, we have broken the structure here, so what we're looking at the moment is to see what happens on the retest. And there is another swing low here. So we have a zone here that we need to pay attention to. We've got a bit of a range bar and a pretty big green engulfing bar that is forming after hours at the moment. So I think there's been some noise on the Asian market, and I see the yen is moving quite rapidly as well. So something's happened, don't know what that noise is, but anyway, trend is down, no debate about that. We want to go with the trend, so we want to be shorting off structure. We don't want to be jumping in down at the bottom. So we want to wait for structure, we want to get into the short, and we want to get out of that short before the close of the day. So if you look at the 3 hour, oscillators again grouped to the downside, and look at this great example here on the 3 hour early in the week, how this turned out to be a flag. You can see the crossover of the oscillators far apart and then a rapid move to the downside, moving through this zone and then hitting a pretty major area support at 12,950. So at the moment, what you're looking for is you're looking for another leg down, and whether it breaks the low of yesterday is another debate. But if you look at the oscillators, that is exactly what you're looking for. So this is the first area of the zone, and you can actually go all the way up to this area here. So you'll probably find that the Fibonacci as well. So if I put a Fibonacci level onto this, you'll more than likely find 61.8 to 50% all in this area I've just given you. So what you're looking for is a rejection of 13,217 or 13,273 or alternatively 13,377. You get a rejection there, you're looking for another leg down. First target is going to be this bottom here. If that gives way, then you've got structure. There will be lots of structure in between these two levels of 12,950 and 12,600. What you want to do though is go to a higher time frame like the weekly and have a look where the majority of it is. And my view at the moment, I think we're probably going to hold. We're not really going to reject too much off these levels. We're probably going to try and hold those levels, just looking at what's to the left. And that also gives us a potential double bottom that forms. And that's on the weekly. So let's get back to the lower time frames. That is the move. We're looking for that. What constitutes starting to look for longs, and that it would be a break above 13,667 at the moment. So that is quite far away. Wouldn't be using that as a stop area though. That's way too far away. So what we'd be looking for is a rejection in this zone, and then what we'd be looking for is a pattern, so inside bar, engulfing bar, or pin bar off the structure, and looking for a move to the downside off that. So there is no other. Now you can see these tails inside. If you just keep looking to the left, any one of these tails inside the zone could offer resistance. So your stop area is pretty much going to be, as soon as you start seeing the target, now I would say this is probably the most logical one, 13,217. Then you can have a wideish stop loss. So that'll only be like an 800 point stop loss there. But do pay attention to what's to the left, because there's lots of structure further to the left. I'll just keep paying attention to that. Just a quick review on yesterday when we did the video. It was looking like it was a range, broke the range quite solidly, never came back for a retest. So from my perspective, no entry. sit quietly, wait for the better trade. And that's exactly what is brewing at the moment. So you should see another leg down. Bear in mind that it is Friday, so you probably find a volatile day, but I would also expect the bears to take profit as well. So I'd expect some kind of profit taking to happen later in the session today. So don't try and hold this over the weekend. I don't think that's a wise idea. I think get in, get out, bank your profits, and wait for Monday. Anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.